Oh, okay. I see you looking for a little side hustle. Well, you came to the right place because I'm about to tell you exactly what you can be doing to start this side hustle game off. Hey y'all, it's your girl Sim Marie and I'm back with another video. If you're new to the channel, welcome aboard. I hope you like what you're seeing here and you stay with your girl. And if you've been rocking with your girl for a minute, what is up? And in today's video, we will be talking about side hustles for the summer. Yes, summer is approaching. Summer is coming, baby. Summer is coming. So let's go ahead and get some of these side hustles in your head so that when it's time for summer, you already be ready to rock. Number one, you can sell his and hers bathing suits. It's summer. Summer is approaching quick, fast, in a hurry. Couples love to do the his and her bathing suits. The mommy and me bathing suits. Go ahead and get you a couple. Go ahead and start searching now. It's not too late to search now. Go ahead and search now. Find the best prices. Find wholesale. Wholesale is your best bet. Go wholesale. Find mommy and me bathing suits and sell them how you want to sell them. Or do couple swimsuits. I'm telling you, you're going to make a killing off that. Because guess what? They don't have to go around searching, trying to find things to match each other. You already selling it, his and hers together. And then you could take it up a notch and go ahead and bedazzle a little. Put little rhinestones, little diamonds on it, on hers, to make it look cute. Make it pop, stand out. But she's still matching her boo. I'm telling you, it's a gold mine in this. Trust me. Number two, if you're good with the camera or if you're good with recording, go ahead and go to these parties, set up your booth, and get these pictures going. I don't know what the machine called, but the one you stand in the middle, then the camera go around you. Yes, baby, that is popping. That is hot in demand. I have been to several parties this year where that camera was there. The line was hanging out the door, to the door. Like the party going on, but everybody want to get up on there, take the pictures and do that little, hey, Paul, hey. And you can make so much money off that. Now that's a real good one that you could do. Number three, print t-shirts. Yes, that's a good one as well because guess what? People having birthday parties, bridal parties, all types of parties, graduation parties, all types of parties going on. So go ahead, put it out there that you do print shirts. That's a lot of money in that. People having family reunions this summer. Great, great, great. Go ahead and start now. Start Googling, finding out where you can get the lowest price t-shirts, where you can get your print on demand type stuff going on, and get your flyer out and be ready. Boom, boom. That's good money in that. Number four, if you know how to decorate, go ahead, put your flyers out. Let people know that you decorate for parties, birthdays, anniversaries, graduations, family reunions, anything that's going on. If you know how to decorate, offer your services. That is a good one as well because guess what? A lot of people are having parties. Parties. All these kids have these summer parties. The women are having their bridal showers, baby showers, whatever it is. If you bomb at decorate and you have the equipment or you know how to get the equipment to get the job done, that is good money. And guess what? People want the best of the best. They not really gonna care how much it costs. I mean, they may be like, but if they see your work is bomb, they're like, okay, let's get this thing popping. I just want this thing to turn out good. So yeah, you good. Okay. I'm telling you, a lot of parties are going on. If you can decorate, baby, decorate. Number five, this one goes with number four, catering. If you know how to cook, you the best in your city and you well known, what you waiting for? Go ahead and get you a little catering truck and go around to these parties and set up shop and make your money. When I tell you, people go to parties, they want to eat and drink. So you definitely going to be high in demand. So go ahead. Even if you don't have a truck, go out there, set up shop under a tent, baby. Get it done. Get it done. It's going to work. Trust me, it's going to be worth your money. Especially if the party doesn't have food and they let you bring your truck or your tent and set up shop. That's where the money's going to come from. We all know people want to eat and drink. That's a good one to work with as well. Number six. Now, you know us ladies, we love to look good. And we be trying the whole winter, spring, fall to get ready for summer, right? Well, guess what? You can sell products that can help boost that up. The NutriBurst, whatever they doing now, the gummies, the vitamins. If you can get your hands on that product and it's not going to harm anybody and people have already heard of the product, go ahead and get you some NutriBurst. Go ahead, start selling that now. Women trying to look good for the summer, baby. So you're gonna be sold out. You're gonna be like, well, I don't get them more the next week. That's how many orders you're gonna be getting in. Cause guess what? We so busy with life and work, we wait till the last minute to try to look good for the summer. So guess what? That's gonna do great. You're gonna make money off of that. You're gonna be sold out as soon as you get it. But you gotta promote the product right. And guess what? They gonna come, baby. I even may come and get some. Number 7. Baby, if you into fashion and you know how to get your hands on some cute little 2-piece short sets, booty shorts with the strings hanging out, bedazzled, if you know how to get hold to that crop top, sandals, hat, shades, baby, the whole 9. If you can get your hands on that at a good price, go ahead and get you some of that. Go ahead now. Start Googling now. The Alibaba, the AliExpress, whatever it is. Go ahead and start Googling now. Go ahead and get your shipment in. And, yeah. Because guess what? It's summertime. Everybody want to have the cheeks out, the thighs out, the girls up, the stomach out. Baby, you're going to do so good. And then we definitely going to need a pair of shades on because it's going to be so hot. Definitely going to need the shades on because it's hot. Going to need the shades on to forget about these haters out here. So, yeah, go ahead and get you some fashion. Get you some stuff going on, girl. Go ahead and start selling that stuff. Get it going now. Number 8, if you into perfume, fragrances, and all that, the butters, the oils, baby, you want to just smell good, go ahead and get your hand on some perfume, some lotion, some butters. Go ahead and sell that because, baby, we all love to smell good. I love when I'm walking past somebody say, ooh, girl, you smell good. And all I did was walk past them, baby, because I put it in the house. It's everywhere. It's just all over. We love to smell good. We love to shine. Like our skin to be shine, glowing, popping. If you can get your hands on some fragrance and some perfume, baby, go ahead and do that. Go ahead and have fragrance perfume parties. Baby, we love perfume. We can never have too much of that. So, go ahead, Google, find you some wholesale perfumes that you know smell good, that you know that's going to sell. Don't just be going to buy stuff because it's cheap on the site. Actually get stuff that people going to be wearing. So when you have these perfume parties, you can make a sale. Number 9, if you good at makeup, if you good at beating the face to the gods, baby, go ahead and do that. Because this summer, it's going to be a lot going on. Women going to need makeup for bridal parties, baby showers, birthdays, honeymoons, vacations, whatever it is. Baby, whatever. They're going to be needing them services, baby, to get beat to the gods by the best. Go ahead, package your prices for parties. Do parties, do makeup parties where you apply makeup for the whole party. Money flow. Y'all already know that's a good one. Makeup, lashes, putting on everybody lace fronts, baby, bringing people hair. That's where the money at. Go ahead, get that started now. Go ahead, start making your flyers, get yourself known, and you want to do groups. You want to do parties. You know how much money you can make off a group? Okay, go ahead and get it going, girl. Number 10, if you know how to promote and you're a promoter, bring your city out. Bring your whole city out. Every weekend you can do a little party. Where I'm from, we have something called Freak Me. Everybody put on the little booty shorts, the little bathing suits, whatever it is, looking cute, looking sexy. We all go to this place out by the water. We just having a good time. You have your lawn chairs, you have your tents, whatever it is. Bring your kids with you if you want to. And we just have a good time. There's food trucks out there, drink trucks out there. It's just a real good time. That's real good money because it costs $50 per person to even get in. You heard me. $50 per person to get in. And guess what? The place be loaded with people. Hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of people, or thousands of people be out there. Do you know how much money that is? Well, the promoter know, but I'm just guessing. It's a lot of money. And then the food trucks making bank, baby. Bank. Drink trucks, bank. Photographers, bank. They all out there. They know where to be and when to be and how to be. So, if you a good promoter and you can bring your city out, have something every month or every 2 weeks where you bring the city out. You get a big location. Our location is outside by the water. I live in Florida. So we go outside by the water, like on the beach. The whole thing is for us. It's a good time. It's music. It's local rappers and singers performing. It's a real good time. And it's $50 per person. Mega bank. Mega bank. So if you can, look into that and see if you can have something like that go on in your city. It's some money in that. So I hope that you enjoyed this video. I hope I gave you some summer side hustles that you can really work on. Because guess what? I will be doing some myself, like the Nutriverse. Like, I really want to get into that because I'm going to tell you the truth. I've been so busy working with YouTube, I have not been working on self. And self need a little TLC in the midsection, okay? So I'm going to get me some Nutriverse or whatever. It works, whatever it's called. It's bring this stomach down. So when I go to the next freak meet down here, baby, if you haven't already liked this video, go ahead and give me a like, baby. If you made it this far, give me a like. Comment down below. Subscribe. Because if you're here right now, baby, you enjoyed my content. You enjoy me. And that's what it's all about. We all about making money on this channel. Money. Money makes the world go round. Money makes me go. Okay? Money pushes me to do and go be a go-getter, be a hustler, be whatever it is that you want to call it. I'm getting to the money. I'm where the money reside, where the money reside, where the money reside, where the money reside. So if you have any more side hustles that I have not mentioned, please put them in the comments. Share with the community. Sharing is caring. We all about sharing over here, baby. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, your girl Sim Marie is out. Now go ahead and get you that side hustle going, girl. Or guy.